Hello guys, so dito tayo ngayon sa may river cruise sa may Indochina Queens, and sobrang laki ng river cruise na to. It's a buffet style river cruise. Cost around 600,000 dong per person, and dito lang siya sa may Saigon Port. Marami kayong choices ng buffet or ng ship or ng river cruise. Iba't iba siya, may fine dining, may buffet, may a la carte, may on the menu, kung anong gusto nyo. Then tara, pasukin natin. So ito yung loob ng Indochina Queens, and yeah, it's a massive place. I think may live cultural band mamaya or live something. Then ito yung buffet nila. It's the third floor ng ship. Then napaka-accommodating. So yung upuan niya kahit saan, pili ka ng gusto mo. Then meron din silang mga menu ng red wine nila, mga beverages. Tulad nito. So dito guys, tatanong namin kung free yung drinks. And hindi free yung drinks. Sinabi niya atin na free, pero after nyo kumain, bibigyan niya kayo ng bill, tas may bayad. Tignan natin yung food nila, kung ano merong food sila dito. So you have steamed tofu. Mahilig sila sa tofu, mga seafoods, shell. You also have this massive shrimps that is cooked beside. So steamed tofu again. Milig talaga sila sa tofu. Then meron ditong chop suey na yung mushrooms. Yun ang tawag ko kasi di ko alam yung tawag din. Then you also have this soup. Pork stewed ribs. Sweetened cribs, but I think it's ribs. Then you have spring rolls, you have lumpia here. Then you have many vegetables. Then ito yung ibang dish nila. Ano kang ito, crispy fried chicken pero pabilog. Tapos itong, I don't know what it's called, pero parang salad or something. Tapos ano silang mga sushi rolls, maki rolls. Then you have cabbage kimchi here. Ito yung mga gulay section, healthy section. Then this is the fruit section. Like dito yung mga cupcakes, sweets, desserts, and fruits. So kukuha muna tayo ng food natin kasi sayang naman kung di tayo kukuha, di ba? So guys, kakatapos na natin kumain, and kwentuhan session muna. 600,000 dong or nasa 1,100 something pesos isang tao for the buffet. Then umaalis yung boat ng 7:45 PM. Maraming choices ng food, mostly chicken and seafood. So kung allergic kayo, mag-antihistamine na kayo or magsitirisin na kayo. Then exactly, ito nga, as I'm saying, exactly 7:45 PM umaalis na yung cruise ship or yung boat. Then meron mga live performance sa baba. Ang ginagawa nila is traditional, I think, Vietnamese dance, traditional Vietnamese song, and hindi lang isa yung choices guys. Hindi lang Indochina Queen yung choice dito na sasakyan. Marami siya, isang mahaba siyang port na maraming choices na kung gusto mo ng fine dining, buffet, on the menu, a la carte, basta marami siya. Then this is located at, kasi kahapon naligaw kami, this is located at Saigon Port, not Saigon River Cruise Office. Kasi so ngayon guys, dito naman kami sa Riverside Cruise Dinner, and sana meron pang boat na pag-accommodate sa amin kasi it's already, I think, 6:30 PM in the evening. Okay. Saigon River Cruise office is located across pa dun sa malayo, mga I think 6 kilometers or 7 kilometers away pa dito. So, and at kahapon nagkamali kami, kaya ngayon kami natuloy mag river cruise dinner. Then I encourage you all na pumunta dito, maraming experience lang. It's just a one-time life experience, sabihin natin ganun.
So again guys, I will continue this video na lang ng mga clips ko dito and panoorin nyo na lang kung ano yung mga na-videohan ko rin sa paligid ko. Thank you for watching again and see you on my next travel adventure.